Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo V90 versus the Subaru Outback. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, from engine performance to interior luxury, helping you understand what sets each apart. Our goal is to provide a clear overview so you can confidently choose the wagon that best fits your lifestyle and driving preferences. The Volvo V90 delivers a sophisticated driving experience, often featuring powerful turbocharged engines and a comfortable, quiet ride. In contrast, the Subaru Outback excels with its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, offering impressive capability for various terrains and weather conditions. Both provide distinct driving philosophies, with the V90 leaning towards luxury and the Outback towards rugged versatility. The V90 Cross Country offers an EPA-estimated 25 miles per gallon combined, while the Outback can achieve up to 28 miles per gallon combined with its standard engine. Inside, the V90 showcases Scandinavian luxury with high-quality materials, advanced infotainment, and exceptional comfort. The Outback focuses on practicality, offering durable surfaces, ample cargo space, and user-friendly controls. When it comes to safety, both wagons are leaders, equipped with comprehensive driver assistance systems designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents on the road. The V90 includes features like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping technology. The Outback comes standard with eye-sight driver assist technology. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The V90 offers premium luxury and performance, with a starting price around $60, $995 to $70, $550, while the Outback provides rugged capability and excellent value, starting around $28, $395 to $34, $695. Consider factors like initial cost, fuel economy, and long-term maintenance. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the links in the description below. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.